This is a parallel histogram. A parallel histogram shows two histograms side by side, one for each variable. You must put the histograms on two separate charts if the variables don't have the same measurement scale, so they can't have the same horizontal axis. For example, one variable may be in years while the other is in pounds. Alternatively, you can put the two histograms in one chart if the variables have the same measurement scale, such as if they're both in years. Let's see how to create both kinds of parallel histograms. Suppose you counted the number of customers at 100 shops on Monday and Tuesday. Your data is set out in columns A and B. Method 1. Just create a histogram for each variable, and then place them side by side. Feel free to format the charts to make them look pretty. Method 2. A parallel histogram can be two histograms placed within the same graph, sharing the same axes. Step 1. Set out the data set. Rearrange the data set so that the data are all in one column. Copy and paste the data for one variable below the data for the other variable, and identify the variable that the data relates to. You can do this because the two variables have the same measurement scale. Instead of 100 rows of data across two columns, you should have 200 rows of data within one column. Step 2. Count the frequency of each group. You can use the pivot table tool to count the frequency of each group. Select the data, including the headings, then go to the Insert tab, in the Tables group, and click the pivot table icon. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, ensure Select a Table or Range is checked and references the data table, including the headings. Check Existing Worksheet and then select where you want to place the pivot table. Then click OK. An empty pivot table will appear, along with the Pivot Table Fields dialog box. In the Pivot Table Fields dialog box, drag customers to the rows box and again to the values box. If values first appears as sum of customers, select the field to open the options and select Value Field Settings. In the Value Field Settings dialog box, for Summarize Value Field by, select Count and click OK. You should now see a column of counts. You want to group these counts by range. Select any cell in the Row Labels column. When you select the pivot table, this activates two tabs under the Pivot Table Tools category, Analyze and Design. Go to the Analyze tab, in the Group section, and click Group Selection. In the Grouping dialog box, Excel automatically populates the starting at field with the minimum value and the ending at field with the maximum value. Enter the bin width you want in the By field. We'll choose 10. Press OK. This groups the counts into ranges. Now we separate the counts for each group. Go to the Pivot Table Fields panel, and drag Day to the Columns box. This separates the count column for Monday and Tuesday. Step 3. Plot the frequencies. Plot the counts for each group in the same chart. Select the count data for the two groups, then go to the Insert tab, in the Charts section, and click the Insert Column or Bar Chart option. In the 2D column category, choose the Clustered Column option in the top left corner. This creates a bar chart. We want to turn this into a histogram, which is a bar chart without gaps between bars. Right-click any bar and in the menu options, choose Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series panel, select the Series option icon at the right. For the Gap Width option, drag the value to 0%. For the Series Overlap option, drag the value to 100%. You can make the bars more transparent to see them more clearly. Select the bar series you want to format and go to the Fill and Line icon at the left of the Format Data Series panel. For the Fill option, Choose solid fill. Choose the color you want and increase the transparency as desired. Feel free to format the chart to make it look pretty. For more lessons on statistics, visit alphas&betas.org.